Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the phone mockup in Photoshop. We're going to be working this layers panel, so if you don't see the layers panel, go to Window and then click on Layers to bring it up. Then to insert your design, you want to click on this arrow in the phone layer, and then you want to make sure to click on this arrow in the phone layer with the mask, and then just double click the thumbnail icon in the Design Dash Screen layer, and that is going to open up the Smart Object where we can copy and paste the design. To do that, we'll just go to File, Open, and then find the design, and then go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, click back on the Smart Object tab, and go to Edit, Paste. And it might not be the size you want right away, so we can just resize it. I'm going to press Control minus to zoom out. It's Command minus on a Mac. Then to resize it, just go to Edit, Free Transform, and just click and drag on any of the four corners. In older versions of Photoshop, you used to have to hold down the Shift key to keep it from getting stretched as you resized it. I'm going to click and drag to bring that down. So if you see it getting distorted at all, just go to Edit, Undo, and then do the opposite of whatever you're just doing, whether that's holding on the Shift key or not holding it down. And then once you've got that resized the way you want, you can just go to File, Save, to save the Smart Object. Once it's done saving, you can just click the X to close the Smart Object and close the original graphics. And the design is on the phone that easily. If you want to adjust the shadows, you can do that just by clicking the arrow next to the shadows layer, and then just clicking on either of the shadows, and then clicking the down arrow next to opacity, and dragging the slider to the right to make it darker, or the left to make it more subtle. And depending on which mockup you purchase, you might have different backgrounds. So to toggle through the backgrounds, just click the arrow next to the backgrounds layer group, and then toggle backgrounds on and off by clicking the box here or the eye icon. If you wanted to insert your own background, you could do that. You just basically copy and paste it in, kind of like how you copied and pasted in your design, except instead of pasting it into a Smart Object, you just paste it directly into this mockup. If you're going to be using this as a thumbnail online at a site like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. To do that, just go to File, Save a Copy. If you want to save a version of a layered PSD with your design in it, you can come back here a second time and go to File, Save As to save it as a PSD. If you have any questions, please message me at melissabmockups.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.